ma'am.
Okay, good morning to
Morning, ma'am.
we can start our next session, that is the dietary fibers or roughage. Dietary fibers or roughage. See, you know, so many food items contain minerals, then vitamins, carbohydrates, fats, these
Yes,
all
ma'am.
proteins. Okay, these all are essential components of food. Along with it, if we are not including this dietary fibers, another name of it is roughage. This means simply a plant fiber which are present in our food. Okay, the plant fiber, the fibers which are present in the plant product, we can call it as roughage or dietary fibers. Okay, so these also are very important along with the other nutrients. What is the function of this roughage or dietary fibers? That we want to check. Then only we will understand the importance of this dietary fibers. Okay. See, I think everybody can hear me, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and well, please mute your audio. Some
Yes, ma'am.
sounds are coming out of it. See, Pranav, Rajiv, Abhay Nath, this also to mute it. Okay. This dietary fibers means the plant fibers which are present in our food. For example, see, when you are drinking juice, pineapple juice, you will take some pineapple pieces and put it in the mixer and you will strain that juice, right? You will filter the juice. What you will get out of it? Able Joffy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, when you prepare for pineapple juice, you will take some pieces of pineapples, keep it in some mixer grinder, then you will take that and you will strain it. You will filter it, right?
Yes.
Using a strainer, you will filter it, right? What
Yes,
you
ma'am.
will get out of it then?
Ma'am, ma'am, the nutrients and minerals of it
Okay, okay. See,
and the juicy.
okay, juice. That the juice which contain the vitamins and minerals. Okay, okay. The liquid which contain vitamins and minerals. Okay, good. But you may be filtering it, right? You will take one strainer, net-like thing, and you will pass the juice through it. So some fibers will be removing from that juice. What you will do with that fiber? Unwanted thing, you will throw it away, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Avse Bachchan, please mute your audio. Somebody also. Okay, please keep it in muted position, okay? So while we prepare this juice, we will take the fibers which are present in that fruits, we will filter it out. We will take only the liquid from that. Maybe that liquid contains vitamins and minerals. Okay, that is good for our health. But an important thing which we are throwing out are the plant fiber present in that food. Plant fiber which are present in that fruit or vegetable. We have to consume that also along with the juice. Understood? That fiber is called dietary fibers or roughage. Dietary fibers or roughage. This dietary fibers or roughage means they are plant fibers. Like while we prepare pineapple juice, we are filtering out the fiber from it. That fiber is the dietary fiber in that pineapple. In the same way, all the fruits and vegetables contain these kind of fibers in them. These kind of fibers in them. So, when we take juice, we should know either we can't use it without filtering it. Otherwise, we can use the fruits in a raw form. Don't make it into juice. It is better to consume it in a raw form. Okay. See, am I audible to you? Asna, Shreya, Prajit?
Yes, ma'am.
Asna and Shreya, Prajit, you are not listening? Just facing to somewhere else. Asna. Okay. So these are, so I think you understood what it is, dietary fibers or roughage. Now I want to share the screen, okay? Please.
Yes.
Okay, please wait. Can you see the board? Whiteboard?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I am writing there on it, okay?
Ma'am, can we write?
Yes. If you have the rough book, you can write. Okay. Dietary fibers, or we can call roughage. Okay. I think everybody can see this, right? Adish, please mute your audio. You all can hear the echoes, right? If you are keeping on the audio, these echoes will produce. So please keep it in muted position. So this is the topic which we want to discuss it today. Dietary fibers or roughage. Okay, Fatima. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the heading of there on the board.
Dietary fibers.
Dietary fibers. Roughage. Okay. See the spelling rough H. You can find out easily. Rough, R-O-U-G-H, rough, A-G-E. Roughage.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes. Who wants? Yes, you can ask.
What is the meaning of roughage?
Yes, that is a plant fiber. Roughage or dietary fibers are plant fibers. Plant fibers. Plant fibers means fibers which are produced from the plants. Okay, just I told the examples. When we prepare the pineapple juice, if you are filtering it, you will get juice and also some fibers. These are called roughage or dietary fibers present in pineapple. In the same way, you will get fibers in orange, so all the fruits and in all the fruits and also in the vegetables. Okay, so dietary fibers are plant fibers which are present in our food, and it also helps to proper digestion and prevents constipation. These are very important. So these are plant fibers. Okay, one point. Second point, it helps in proper digestion. It helps in proper digestion and also prevents constipation. Okay, can you read this word? Is it, you can say this word, right? I will call Ausep Bachchan, please unmute. Ausep.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please read the first point. Under the roughage.
Are plants fibers?
Are plant fibers. So what are dietary fibers or roughage? They are plant fibers. Okay, fibers we get out of plants. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
I'll say, please read the second point also.
Help in
Helps in, yes,
pro
help in, yes,
provide
helps in helps in the proper digestion. Okay,
digestion.
proper digestion.
Digestion.
Helps in proper digestion. Okay, so these are the second point. So proper digestion means you learned in the 5th standard about digestive system. What all we eat, it should be get digested. Then only the blood can absorb the nutrients from it to give us energy. In the same way, the presence of these plant fibers in our food helps to digest these all food items. Okay, these plant fibers themselves will not get digested. They themselves are not getting digested. Understood? But they help the other food digestive system to do it. How it is, I will explain. As these fibers are not digesting, they will keep on undigested form. Okay. So when the digest waste material from the large intestine to anus, are you remembering these all organs? Are you remembering these all organs in the digestive system?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. From the
Yes, ma'am.
okay, from the small intestine, all the nutrients from the food are get absorbed. The remaining things are only the waste that will goes to the large intestine. In the large intestine also, the water or some minerals present in that, it will be taking out, absorbed to our body. So only what it is left behind is only the solid waste matter. Solid waste matter. The presence of these fibers helps in the movement of this undigested food through the anus. Anus is the organ which helps to remove the solid waste from out of our body. At the end of the digestive system, one small opening is there, that is called anus. So, if we are including these dietary fibers in our food, this may get undigested, and also they will help in the movement of undigested food and to remove it from the body. Likewise, it prevents constipation. You know constipation, see, you can see one word here, constipation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you see the word constipation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so constipation means if some people may find it difficult. Some people may find it difficult to get rid of the undigested waste particle from their body. That condition is called constipation. If they are not including the plant fibers in their food, in their diet, they will feel it very difficult. Got it? See, and another interesting thing is, this plant fibers or the dietary fibers or roughage, we will get only from the plant. We will get only from the plant. So, if you are eating too much non-veg food, you may suffer constipation. You may suffer the condition of constipation. You may suffer difficulties to get rid of undigested waste from your body. Okay, so you must include plant products in your body. Now I will help which all food plant products contain these dietary fibers. Okay, so everybody please check it. Please keep it all muted. Okay, I want to share the.
Ma'am.
Okay. See, I will show one slide. Please wait. Okay. I think now you can see some food items on your board. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the
Yes,
some
ma'am.
of the food items that can produce. From these we will get dietary fibers or refuge. See, potatoes are there, vegetables and
Vegetables.
fruits. Yeah. So all the fruits and vegetables contain this dietary fibers. And also whole grain, you can see it. So all the grains contains this dietary fibers. Okay. And one more thing, corn and cauliflower. Corn and cauliflower also are very rich in this dietary fibers. Okay, corn and cauliflower. These also, beside these all, corn and cauliflower are rich in this dietary fibers. So dietary fibers are plant fibers. Dietary fibers are plant fibers which are present in our food, and they help in the proper digestion of food and to prevent constipation. Example for food items. This we will get only from the plants. Okay, it is mainly provided by plant products. Corn, cauliflower, whole grains, potatoes, vegetables, fruits, pulses. These all are examples.
Ma'am, carrot.
Carrot, sure, carrot is a vegetable, right? So it surely contains these all. So when you are eating carrot, you can eat it as in the raw form, or if you are drinking carrot juice, don't filter it. Okay, after putting it in the mixie, don't filter out. Just take the carrot juice as such. So your body may get more and more. Which one? Which we will get from this all? What we will get this all from this all?
Energy. Energy.
Dietary fibers. Dietary fibers or refuge. Okay, we will get these all food items can give dietary fibers or refuge. Or simply you can say plant fiber. Plant fibers. Okay. Can we go to next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So before that, let me ask. Okay. 1 minute. Alicia, please unmute your. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me any of the food item which contain this dietary fibers?
Can I say?
I am giving chance to Alicia. If you know, just wait. Okay, Alicia.
Yes.
Okay, can you give example for food items which contain dietary fibers?
Apple.
Apple. Apple comes under in which group? Apple comes under which food group? Is it vegetable? Then it comes under which group? Is it this one pulses? Alicia. So apple comes under fruits. Am I right?
Yes.
Apple comes under fruits. So you can tell fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables, not only the apple. All the fruits contain this dietary fiber. Okay. So Alicia, Tell me which all food contains this dietary fibers.
Vegetarian, vegetables and fruits.
Okay, only vegetables and fruits.
No.
Then
Pulse.
pulses. Okay, then
Plants.
sorry,
Whole grains.
all grains. Okay, okay. So okay,
Corn and corn flour.
okay. Corn and corn flour. Corn and cauliflower are good sources of fiber. Okay. So I think it is clear. This topic is clear. Alicia, please mute it. Okay, so along with the nutrients, we have to include dietary fibers also. You know, from which all food items you will get this dietary fibers. And but another important thing it is, we have to take lots and lots of water. Water is also important for our body. Water is also important for our body. Yes. Rahan, yes. What you want? Tell me.
For digestion, we need water.
Very good, very good. For digestion, our body needs water. Okay.
Fresh fruit.
Okay, fresh fruits are sources, very good source of water. Okay, that also fine. Then, what all things you know about water, the functions of water? Just raise
Ma'am,
your
water
hand.
helps
Just
our
raise-
body to absorb nutrients.
Okay, very good. Water helps our body to absorb the nutrients from the food. That is the same as helps in digestion. Okay, then any other? Just think about it. Water, how it helps our body.
Healthy food.
Adishesh, see, I want to give chance to Adishesh. Adishesh, yes. What? See, Ahil, 1 minute. Some Adishesh, please mute it. I will call you. In between, some students are. Hiba, mute your audio, please. Okay, everybody keep it. Ahil, mute your audio and talk to your parents. Okay, Adishesh, what you know about the function of water?
The water gets in our body needs the liquids from drinking.
Okay, water, okay. Which all liquids which we are drinking, our body gets water out of it. Very good. These all are sources of water for our body. Okay. What I want to ask and what I want to know is how does water help our body?
Ma'am, water
told-
helps
Get
in
more to get more energy.
Okay, so Fatima, please see, Fatima is telling that answer. Just tell Fatima.
Ma'am, to get more energy to our body.
To get more energy, if we drink water, we will get more energy. How we get more energy? By simply drinking water.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, water helps in cells and organs.
Ma'am, for dry skin.
Okay. See, you know something about that function. Okay, just listen. Water. Yes, some more. Okay, Adi, tell me.
Water we drink for good health.
Okay. It is good for our health. That is why
Then
we
helps in digestion.
okay. And well, 1 minute. And well, please sit properly. Keep your legs down. Yeah.
Ma'am,
1 minute. Everybody, please mute your audio. Everybody, please. Adishesh, mute it. Abel, mute it. And well, please sit in a proper position so that you can keep your legs down. Okay. Now, I will. Some of you told it. Yes.
Ma'am, can I say water helps in healthy skin?
Okay, water helps to get healthy skin. Okay. So, by combining these all things, let me tell you, water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. That is, it helps in our digestion. Okay. And another thing, it also helps in throwing out some waste from our body as urine and sweat. Understood? As in the form of urine and also in the form of sweat. The excess water along with the waste are removing out of our body. Got it? So, main point, water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. That is, it helps in digestion. Okay. So first point, you can, if you are writing, you can write. It helps in digestion. Got it? And the second point.
Ma'am, can you write in the board?
Okay, I will write it. But you all should keep it audio in muted position. Okay? When I
Okay,
share the.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will take this. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Here, water. How the water helps our body. You can see it on your board, right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Akira.
Yes, ma'am.
Akira.
Yes,
Read the heading of the board. Please read the water. Okay. Water.
Ma'am, your sound is not clear.
Okay, my sound is not clear. Let me stop share. Is everything is fine here? Okay, please check it.
Yes.
Okay, please check it. Okay, so water helps in digestion. Water helps in digestion. Can you see it on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So everybody, Sion, please mute your audio. Okay. Next one. Somebody is doing. If you are changing your position, please mute it and do. Okay. So that the other distracting sounds should not produce it. Okay. This one helps in throwing out. So first one in digestion. Okay. Next one helps in throwing out. Helps in throwing out waste from our body. Waste from our body as urine and sweat. One minute. Okay, these 2 points are there. Okay, shall I move to another point? See why this Ishak, Abdus, Karen, Shreya, their all videos are closed. Hibba, Anvil. See, are you writing down the points?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will share it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to buy.
Sorry.
We have to
Ma'am,
buy.
I was writing the points.
Okay. I will show it. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to buy heart.
You can write down and you can understand. Okay.
Right,
So
right.
helps in digestion. This is very important.
It helps in good
And to,
skin.
in throwing out waste. Throwing out waste from our body. Throwing out waste from our body. And one more thing is there. Helps in blood circulation. Helps in blood circulation. What do you mean by, yes? What do you mean by blood circulation? Helps in the flow of blood through the blood vessels. Okay. And also keeps our body cool. Keeps our body cool. Keeps our body cool. How it keeps our body cool?
Ma'am, because we are running, that's why, ma'am, we are running and we want to drink the water, then we will be cool.
Okay. No, it is not like so. Say when you are getting sweat, at that time your body temperature will become down. See, 1 minute, I will show this. See something which I. No. Okay. See, I will 1 minute. Okay. Okay, I think you can see this now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can see the board now?
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, the points which you wrote about the water is not fully clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute.
It's clear and we can see.
Okay. 1 minute.
And down.
Okay. Helps our body
ma'am.
to cool.
Now
Write
we
down
can't
these
see.
points. I will
Now we can't.
say everything. Okay, please wait, dear. Please wait. You can see. Okay. Now it is our time to wind up this class. This portion I will send it through the WhatsApp. Okay. This notes
you,
I
ma'am.
will send it. You can write down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next
Thank
class.
you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank